What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Trevor and we're on the Arctic Vette channel. Today we are going to be fixing the PVC hoses, piping, whatever you want to call this piece right here. Recently when I wrapped the Corvette, mine came off. I took it off, and so I'm going to show you guys how we put that back in, because I definitely did not get a video on how you take it out. So the first step is taking your covers off, and where this goes, let me grab my light here and I can kind of show you. So hopefully I can do this with one hand here. It's going to sit in here like that, right? So you got a end over there that's going to go on one of those over on that head, and then you have this little port here that this one's going to go on, and then right down here where you see that little red cap, oh I'm sorry guys, right here where you see that little red cap is where this one's going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get the other cover off from the other side and show you guys where that one's at. So I was trying to fix my AC line. Sadly, I ordered the incorrect part and cannot get it fixed. I always love taking these off with the fuel lines right there. It's just a little bit more of a hassle. So this other end, let's see if we can find it. I'm still not even, oh, right there. You guys see that? It's gonna go right here where this guy's at. So I'm gonna pop that end off if I can. Ugh. It's kinda on there. I feel like it's just gonna rip. I might have to get something to, oh, there we go. I was gonna say, you might need something to pry that guy off of there, but there we go, we got it. And so that's where that one goes. So let's go ahead and take off these little papers, and then we're gonna feed this in through the back and hook it all up. Let's get to it. Hopefully you can see it right there, and it goes back behind the fuel rail, the end of the fuel rail, and then right back through here behind the intake manifold, and then back. It's honestly, it's kind of a pain in the butt to get back there, but once you get it back there and all looped around and all that, now I've just got to get this to go on. Proven to be a fit in its own. And it is a hot night. Bright light. Alright, well, there we go. I think I've got it. Might be able to work it down a little more, but I want to take you guys to the other side real quick. And so now on this side we've got to tuck this into here. So we're gonna pop that wire, move that, and then this guy's gonna go right around that and down there. So it's kind of a tight squeeze. We can definitely get it all in there. So that goes squeezed down like so. And we'll pull it through. So now you just put this guy on right there, just like so. And we've got this almost up, almost up there. And I need to get my flathead screwdriver again, which I put over here. And pull my light back over here so I can see what we're doing. We're just gonna loosen this. Actually, I guess I didn't even need to do that, because really, I'm not gonna need that cap no more. Now I can take my screwdriver, put it back here, and pry that little puppy off. So now that comes off, and then we gotta stretch the new one. Still gotta pull it a little bit. So we're gonna pull it, get it pushed in there some more. And there's a clip right here where this cutout's gonna be, and that's where you want that. Oh, and I didn't realize that there's one down here too. So you clip that in. Makes it a whole lot easier to scoot forward. And then go ahead and put that on there. And there we go. Our PCV hose is all fixed up, good to go now. Next, what I need to do is get a catch can and install one of those. But honestly, I think I'm gonna wait until I do, ouch. Yeah. I suddenly hit my head and forgot what I was gonna mention about the manifold. Anyhow, well, that's it. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna work on this end a little bit more. And if this video helped you guys out, please drop a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have any advice on a catch can. I know I've watched my Corvette Life put one in, and now I've watched Yellow Vette 04 Dave put one in on his Corvette. They both have a little bit newer ones, so they have different setups. The 97 is all LS1, and it's a little bit different than the LS6s and the Z06s. So anyhow, have a great night. I will catch you guys in the next video.